Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 204. Start with this box here. We're missing a 2 and a 7, and I don't see any help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here and a 4 here. So 7, that 5 makes this our 4, 5. That 7 makes this our 2 and 7. So to finish off this row, we're missing a 3. For this row, looks like we're missing 7 and 9. I don't see any help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this row, looks like we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 2, 5, no help here. 2, 5, 8, and an 8 here. So 2, 5. That means that our 8 for this box has to be here. For this row, looks like we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 3 and 7 here. So this is our 5. 3 here, so 7, 3. To finish off this column, we're missing an 8. For this column, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 3. I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. Don't see any help here. 1, 3, 9. Same here. 1, 3, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 3 here. So 1, 5. And no help here. 1, 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here and a 6 here, so this is our 3. That 5 makes this our 6 and 5. So to finish out this box, we're missing a 7. This 1 and 3 makes this our 9. We can get rid of this 9. For this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 1, 9. And we can get rid of this 1. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 here. So 2, 9. Same here, 2, 9. That means our 5 has to be here, which that 5 makes us our 2, 5, and then that 2 makes us our 9, 2. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. That 1 makes us our 3, 1, 3, 5, 1. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. That 7 makes us our 9, 7. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. And to finish off this box, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.